Look, let's cut the nonsense right away. If you think AI is just some shiny tool that will magically replace humans in startup investing, you're dead wrong. The truth? There's frustration piled on frustration in this game because every deal feels like a gamble, every pitch sounds like noise, and no AI out there can feel the gut punches that come with betting on founders, solving problems in the real world, or knowing when to pull the trigger or walk away. The system feels broken because it often is. Humans get clouded by bias, ego, or just plain exhaustion. But swapping that human element for an algorithm? That's not the easy fix you think it is. You already know the pain, deadlines that don't wait, tons of data that just overload without clarity, and teams pitching buzzwords instead of vision. And worse, there are moments when doubt eats you up inside. Did you miss the next unicorn because you trusted a spreadsheet more than your instincts? When AI tries to step into those shoes, it doesn't sense ambition or grit. It only crunches numbers and patterns. That's the problem. Pure data doesn't capture the chaos, the desperation, or the raw fire that founders bring, and those things matter more than any growth curve. But here's how to flip the game. Instead of letting AI replace you, make it your secret weapon. Don't trust it blindly. Use it to filter the noise, to spot trends no human eye can catch, to stress test assumptions, to quickly map risks you might miss. Use AI to save time on grunt work, so you can spend more hours digging deep on the stuff that really counts, the people. Learn to see through the numbers to read the founder's real story, their hunger, their resilience, their ability to pivot when the world shoves them down. AI can't get that. You can. Now don't make the rookie mistake of letting AI turn you into a decision-making zombie. Your value doesn't vanish in the face of tech. It explodes if you combine your experience, your gut, your network, and your ability to understand context with what AI offers. When you do that, you're not just another investor shuffling spreadsheets. You're the one who spots the rare founders nobody else trusts. You become the edge. And that edge? It's what will keep you relevant, what will make founders fight to work with you. Here's the brutal step-by-step. First, use AI to gather all the raw data about markets and competitors. Let it crunch the numbers you don't want to touch. Second, start your due diligence by focusing hard on the humans behind the numbers. Talk to them, challenge them, see if their fire is real or just talk. Third, test your bias daily, because AI won't fix your blind spots, only you will. Fourth, build tight networks with other investors and founders who get this, because in this game, no one wins alone. Fifth, never stop learning. AI updates fast. You have to outlearn and outadapt. Combine your pulse on reality with AI's speed, and you push beyond limits that separate amateurs from game changers. Ignore the noise that AI will replace you. It won't, it can't. Humans make deals because humans understand humans, but that doesn't mean you get to stay stuck in old habits. Use AI to boost your edge, but without losing the brutal honesty and emotional intelligence required to see what no algorithm can calculate. You want to win in startup investing? Stop seeing AI as a threat. Start making it your tool to sharpen your instincts, expand your vision, and act faster than anyone else. That's how you keep control. That's how you dominate. Because no matter how smart the machines get, it's still your judgment, raw, complex, and messy, that decides who rises and who falls. So, own that. Sharpen it. Don't just survive the AI wave, ride it like a pro and make it work for you. No more excuses, no more waiting. It's time to be smarter, faster, human, and machine working together. Now, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.